Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Last Book Picture channel. Today we are going to create a tool arranging rack. So let's get started. So I was thinking like creating some net like stuff so I can hook my art stuffs, and over here a shelf, and creating a basis so that I can put my like these stuffs over here or hang over there. So let's get started.
Isn't it weird to think that so many versions of you exist in other people's minds? Some may see you as a shy person who rarely speaks, while others see you as someone who can't stop talking. Some think of you as kind and caring, while others see you as cold and mean. Some see you as timid, while others see you as crazy. It's like we're all these different characters, sketched out in the perceptions of those around us. At the end of the day, we're not just confined to the boxes others try to fit us into. Maybe it's about finding comfort in the fluidity of who we are. It's up to us to figure out who we truly are beneath all these different shades and interpretations. In the midst of all the noise, do not forget to listen to your own voice. It's the one that knows the true melody of your existence, beyond the perceptions and the interpretations. After all, the most important version of you is the one you create for yourself.
So as you can see, these all are my instruments. I have to attach to these hooks, so these all will stick to this wall. I made these from PVC pipe and this with wire, and used a wooden stick and stick some screws and bend them like this, and same just like this, and use 2 more screws for hammer. So let's get arrange them. So as you can see, I arranged them all. I think will look like just this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. जिन्होंने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखा है कॉलेज देंगे, जिन्होंने नहीं कर रखा आराम से करिए, कोई आफत नहीं आ रही है. सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.